How to use reference in MidJourney. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a quick look at how you can get started with using reference images in MidJourney. So let's get into it. Now, MidJourney is a AI platform that enables you to create any kind of illustration or AI generated art using a simple text prompt. Now, you might think, okay, if it works on a text prompt like this, why or how can I use a reference image? And is it really going to take in consideration that image? Will it be able to edit the image, or just is it going to replicate the image? Well, you can actually use a reference image however you like in MidJourney. So let's get into using references. Now, to get started with MidJourney, just head on over to midjourney.com, click on join the beta or on the bottom right over here, and then you will just click on accept invite. And then MidJourney will open up in your Discord. So you do need to have Discord to use MidJourney. And I have already logged on to my Discord account, and I have already bought MidJourney. MidJourney is currently no longer available for free. So if we go on ahead and take a look at the subscription plans, you can see MidJourney starts at $10 per month, where you have limited generation and you have access to member gallery as well as 3 concurrent fast jobs. Then you have the standard plan starting at $30 a month, where you have general commercial terms, unlimited relaxed generations, and 3 concurrent fast jobs. And then if you want more privacy, so if you want stealth image generation, which I will be discussing later on in this video, then you need to subscribe to their pro plan starting at 60 USD a month. So to get started with uploading references in MidJourney, once you have bought your MidJourney plan, whichever one you prefer, you are going to be led to this platform where there are multiple different newbies section. Now, what I recommend you do is, because your illustrations or prompts can get lost when you're doing this, you want to simply create a new server by clicking on add a server on the left side of your screen. Click on create my own and just do it for my friends and myself. And once you have a separate MidJourney, a separate server, you're going to go back into the MidJourney server, and then on the right side of your screen, you're going to find your teams. Now you want to just click on the MidJourney bot, click on add to server, and then select the newly created server that you just made and add the MidJourney bot over there. Now, what this enables you to do is that instead of being constantly bombarded with other people's prompts, you can upload your own images and use them in a more efficient manner. You have more time and you can put in more effort. Now, to use references, once you have added MidJourney to your private server, you're going to click on this plus icon on the bottom left. Once you click on this plus icon on the bottom left, you will click on upload a file. Then you want to just take a look at whatever reference image you want to use. So let's go on ahead and look for a new reference image. So I'm going to search for, let's say I want to take some inspiration from these outfits or something like that. So I'm just going to save this image as, and once I have saved this image, I'm going to go back to Discord, click on this icon on the bottom left, click on upload a file, and we will just upload our newly downloaded file. And first you let it upload. So you are going to let your image upload. And you can do this with your personal images, you can do it with images off the internet, whatever you want. You can upload your own if you want. Once you have your image uploaded, what you want to do is click on the image, click on open in browser, and it will open up in a new tab. Now you want to go back to Discord, type in /imagine as you normally would when you're entering a MidJourney prompt. Then you will go to the newly opened tab with the image and just copy the URL. So whatever URL you get, you want to copy that. Go back into Discord and you will paste the URL directly in the prompt section like so. Once you have pasted it, you will add whatever you want to the image. So if you want to change the backgrounds, if you want it in a cartoonistic style, if you want it in a painted style. So let's say I want this in a Van Gogh Starry Night style. So what I will do is, once I paste the link of the image, so I've just written the image URL as a Van Gogh painting, and I will just send this prompt, And I will wait a couple of seconds for the prompt to be started, and then I can have my, newly generated image. I have already done this previously as well. You guys can see I've done it with this image, I've done it with this image as well. And you can do any kind of thing. You can do it with different art styles. You can also do this with different, sketching techniques, or you can do it with multiple different cartoonistic styles. So you can ask it to convert it into a painting or a sketch or a anime, manga, whatever you want. So you guys can see it has created a Van Gogh painting, but it created a male version of my painting. So that's, obviously the AI is learning. You can provide it with a different prompt, or if you don't like what it has generated for you, so you don't have to worry. You can just click on this icon over here, and it will regenerate the prompt, and it will do it in a different way. So now I'm regenerating the same thing. I haven't changed the prompt, and once you're satisfied with the kind of result that you're getting, you can upscale that image. And upscaling basically means you get a full version of that image, a zoomed in version or a larger resolution size, and then you can save that resolution size. So let's wait for the new generation of our Van Gogh painting from our reference image. This is the reference image we're using. So let's just wait and see how long it's going to take. And it's taking a little longer because I have done a regeneration from my reference image, and I'm just going to wait for this to be completed. Still waiting to start, and I'm just gonna wait a couple of more seconds. And you can do this and create variations of a particular generation as well. Now, one thing that I need to discuss with you guys is stealth mode. So a lot of people don't know this, but all of the images you create with MidJourney are available for other people to see. So if you go into the home page of MidJourney or the explore page of MidJourney, you'll be able to see multiple different images that are popular, different prompts people have added, what kind of prompts rendered what kind of images. So you guys can see there as, all of these images are public. Now, if you want to make a image private, then what you have to do is turn on stealth mode. So to turn on stealth mode, just go into Discord and just type in slash, and then you're going to type in slash stealth. And if you're on the pro version of MidJourney, then you will be able to turn on stealth mode. If you're not on the pro plan, then you don't get stealth mode. But if you want to still keep your original reference image private, then use the same method as I did by creating your own separate MidJourney server. And in that way, although the image you generate is available to other MidJourney users, the image you uploaded is not going to be available to them. So that is one way to keep your personal image private, but then you just have only the generated image public. So that is how you can use reference images in MidJourney. You can do this with any kind of image, and we have reimagined Blair Waldorf as well, and you have multiple different ways that you can do this. You can even use ChatGPT to provide you with some interesting prompts to further customize your image. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.